Guys, today's is a Python project video. So in today's video, we are building a Python password generator in Python. So please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new on my channel, so please first subscribe my channel, all the notification bell, and please see this video start to. And if you not see this video start to, and so you have problems in your code, because I'm telling you all things step by step. That's why also. So now I will not take you a long time. So let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video we are building a password generator in Python, like I have told you in my introduction. So we are using to build up password generator. We are using text editor. Text editor name is Visual Studio Code. And if you don't have Visual Studio Code, so let me tell you how to download it. First of all, you go on to the Google and you search here Visual Studio Code. So this first option will become like that. You click here. So you will come on to this interface. So in this interface, you will be click on download Windows or Mac, and when you click here, this arrow button, there is three options is coming like Mac, Windows or Linux. I have already downloaded in Windows because I am Windows. If you are on Mac, you download on Mac. If you are Linux, you download on Linux. Okay. So I already downloaded. So first of all, I will be open my Visual Studio Code. So what I will do, I will be go here and I will be clicking on to the new file. And the shortcut key is Control Alt Windows N. Okay. New file, and my file name is I am giving like password not gap generator.py. Then enter press. Then I will be saving my file onto the desktop. Then create file. So my file has been made it of python generator.py. So first of all, I will be write like here import random. When I write like import random, I go to the down and I write like here patient. What? Patient. Then slash. Then I write like int. Int is a one. Int is a okay. And then in that here I will be write like double commas. And here I will be write like enter the length of password. So when you write like the length is 10, so the 10 length of password will become okay. Of if you write like 5, so 5 length of password will become. S. Then in S, you write like the slash and then double commas, and here you can write like A, B, C, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, then W, X, U, then V, then W, X, Y, and then Z. Then here you can add 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 0. Then here you can add like in capital letters A, B, E, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Then here you write like that, then at the rate, then you write like at the rate, hashtag, then that, then percentage sign, then end, then where is and sign, then star sign. Then you write like, do like that, then you write like here question mark. Then here you write like P, then double commas. In double commas you write like nothing. You write there dot join. Then here you can write like random dot sample. Then here you can write like S comma patient. Okay. And when you write like you give one space and go down, and here you can write like print. If you don't know what is Python and what is import random, what is int, so see my Python tutorials. I will tell all things in that Python tutorial, and the playlist I will be giving in the description of Python tutorial. Then print, then P. Then I will be do like that. So it's easily build it. When I will be run it, so it will say, please tell me what is the length of your password? What type of length are you giving to your password? I write like 1. So it will give the 0 only. When I cross here, then I write like again and then it will say enter a password length. I give like 10. Like I give like 10. So it will give the 10. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you can see it will give the length of your of your password. Like I write like 20. It will give the 20 letters of password. Here you can see it. It is very good. If you write like here anything, okay, anything. It is not important what I will be write, you will also write. I write like 100. So it will give like 100 is not, because the 100 is very bigger and the password is also not of 100. Okay. Like I will write like 50. It would give the 50 letters of password. Here you can see it. It is very simple. Very. When I again run and I give like password to the 5 length. So 5 length it will give. And you write like here anything. Like I write like here Ryan, hello, anything you write, then run. Then you write like password length. I give like 10. Then it is giving like here you can see it giving the password for the par. You can see it is very simple. Okay, and if you give like 80, 80 is also not available. Okay, and I give like 10. It will give like this password. I give any password. I give like 30. It will give like 30. Here you can see it. It is very simple. You made it easily as. Okay, it is very simple. And if you know, if you change here this ABCD, you write like here anything. It is your own choice. I write like here ABCD and counting. Here you can see it. If you want very harder password, so you write like here harder like ABCD and numbers and this hashtag, and then your password will be generated. If you write like if your length of password is 2, so it will produce a 2 length of very hard password. Okay, it is very simple. So in today's video, we build a password generator in Python, and it's very simple to how to build a password generator. Is very simple how to build it. And first of all, you write like import random Bayesian int. If you don't know what is int, so see my Python tutorial videos. I give you in description the playlist link, that input. And if you write like here, enter the here you can write like enter the height. When you write like height, so high, so it is giving like the what enter the high of password. It is very simple. And length, but it is length. Okay, it is very simple. And if you don't write this p and then this double commas, then dot join, then that, so your code will be not run and your password generator will not build. But I will be tell you very short form to how to build a Python password generator in Python, and it is very simple. There's only five lines of code and you easily build your password generator in Python. So if you enjoy this class, so like this video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel. And if you want the videos like this, so please tell me in my comments. And now I will meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python tutorial. So for today, goodbye.